Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be going over how to make money with Amazon affiliates on YouTube. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to start making money with Amazon affiliates on YouTube. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the way this actually works is that first you're going to get your YouTube channel. And then here is an example of one of my YouTube channels called Betterment Reviews. The way that I've structured my video content is that I'll actually get the same similar product and then compare it against one another. So for example, in this video here, we're comparing camping tables together. In this video here, we're comparing dog cooling mats together. In this video here, we're comparing highly rated denture cleaners together. So by doing so, it leads to a nice evergreen video. And within my videos, I actually mention which denture cleaner is best, or I mention which dog cooling mat is best. So that's what's been really helpful at getting these videos to convert. And that's what's able also to make me make about $300 per month, even though my channel only has 179 subscribers. So with that being said, I'd say making money with Amazon affiliates, definitely still do the review videos on individual items like what you see right over here. But once you have two of the same item, let's say that you have two mops, you want to compare those mops together and then let the viewers know which mop you think is better. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and make money with Amazon affiliates on YouTube. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.